sa Amazon. Gusto ng mga tao ma-feel yung produkto. Ngayon, sanay na tayo sa Shopee. Sanay tayo sa Lazada. Pero nung 90s, pinagtatawanan siya. Guess who's laughing now? May 203 billion siya. So yung sinasabi ko, malay mo, by God's grace, bigyan ka ng idea and you have the idea that can change the world. Huwag mong malitin sarili mo. Malay mo, yung idea na meron ka nung habang nasa CR ka. Diba minsan daming idea? Diba daming idea eh? Malay mo, that idea can change the world. Or kahit hindi change the world, kahit yung barangay nyo. May service ka na may isip na pwede pala. So anything is possible. So find what you are passionate about and try to be good at it. Again, minsan for practicality, there are times that you need to do things na hindi ka enjoy.